Hey, what's up guys, Press here. So today I wanted to talk to you about the proper hand positions that you should have on your steering wheel when driving. I think it's really important for us to make sure that we know how to properly position our hands on the wheel to be able to always keep good control of our car, whether it's slipping on some snow, hitting an unexpected pothole, running over a curb, or simply something in our path of travel that makes us take evasive action to avoid a bad accident. Having your hands placed in the proper spots will decrease the chance of losing control of your car and being in an accident. Back when I was in driver's ed, they taught me that our hands should be placed at 10 and 2, but that has changed over the years. By the way, if you're confused on why I'm using numbers, just look at your wheel and kind of think of it like a clock. Alright, like the ones you used to have in school. You got 12 up here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, there's 9, 10, 11, 12. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration doesn't want us at 10 and 2 anymore. They actually recommend keeping our hands placed at either 9 and 3, which is right here, or 8 and 4. I personally like to have my hands at 9 and 3. It just feels more comfortable. And fun fact, a lot of professional race car drivers will actually drive with their hands at 9 and 3. But you can choose whatever just feels more comfortable for you. Usually if you're a little bit on the shorter side, you'll find yourself more comfortable placing it at 8 and 4. Alright, so let's talk about 2 bad habits that you don't want to pick up, especially before you take your test to get your license, okay? Number 1, you guys do not want to palm the steering wheel when making a left or right turn. Okay, so when you take your hand, you place it right here with your palm on the steering wheel and you turn out your wheel. That could be unsafe because if you're making a turn while palming, your wheel can slip and that could lead you into an accident. Number 2, you don't want to hook the steering wheel. That's when you take your hand and go under the wheel right here to make a left or a right turn. The problem with this is that your hand could get stuck when your wheel's trying to go back straight, and once again it could lead you into an accident. So what is the proper way to turn your wheel? You guys can use the crossover technique like this, where your one hand overlaps the other to turn the wheel out. But the NHTSA is trying to recommend that we use the push and pull method, where one hand pulls and the other one pushes, just like this. Whatever you feel more comfortable, both is acceptable. Thanks for tuning in, guys. If you haven't done so, please make sure you guys drop a follow on my TikTok, Instagram, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and advice on driving. Stay safe out there. Remember to always buckle up. Much love and Godspeed.